Hello everyone, welcome to Nexup Academy. In this video, we are going to learn how to set up a WordPress theme in your GoDaddy account. Okay, to set up a WordPress theme, you first have to go to your WordPress admin dashboard. So you can go to your WordPress admin dashboard by typing in your domain name and then /wp admin. Okay, then press enter. Okay, you can see this is our login page. You just have to type your username and password. So after typing the username and password, you just have to click on the login button. Okay, so you can see that this is my WordPress admin dashboard. Okay, so in this section you can see that there are multiple options. Okay, you can see that there is a WooCommerce option. Okay, so this is WooCommerce is basically a plugin provided by WordPress for managing the e-commerce websites. In WooCommerce you can see there are orders, coupons, reports, everything you required for a e-commerce website can be done using WooCommerce. Okay, like shipping, adding a payment method, everything is available in this section. Okay. The first step of uploading a theme is that you just have to go to this appearance section, and in appearance you can see a themes, so just click on this. Okay, you can see that currently my storefront theme is active. So what I have to do is I have to search a new theme. Okay, so there are two options, add new and add new theme. Basically these two buttons do the same work. Okay, so you just have to click on this. Okay, now you can see that there is a search theme options, and also you can upload a theme. Okay, so these are the available themes, or you can search here e-commerce. Then you can see that there are list of e-commerce website theme. Okay, so you can select and install the theme. Okay. The most of the themes in this section are free. Okay, one of the most difference between the free theme and a premium theme or a paid theme is that most of the free themes do not come with a demo content. Okay, and what is demo content? When you purchase a new theme, everything will be already provided to you in the demo content. Okay, suppose if you install a free theme, they will just provide the structure, there will be nothing more, the website will not look so good. Okay, but if you purchase a premium theme, all the sliders, products, everything is already uploaded in the premium theme, so you just have to replace the products and other contents of the website. You do not have to do much work. Okay, so for free theme options you can just select and install here. Okay, just click on this install, and after installing there will be activate button. Okay, or if you want to purchase a theme, then just type, go here and type WooCommerce themes. Okay, you can see that there are multiple options, just select one. Okay, so you can see that there are multiple themes you can choose from. Okay, so also you can search a theme here. Suppose I want a theme name called Greenmart. Okay, you can see that this is a premium theme, it will cost $49. Okay, I'll just click here. Okay, now I just want to click on the preview button so that I can see how the themes will look. Okay, how this theme will look when I install. Okay, they are providing us a multiple options of design to choose from. Okay, so basically we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 home page. Okay, you can see there are also more options, so basically we have a lot of choices to choose from. Okay, and also there are other features like product compare plugin, wishlist plugin, live search, product quick view, sales countdown, variable products, everything is included in this theme. Okay, so I have already purchased this theme, Okay, so you can buy it by clicking on this button. Okay, and what they will do, they will just forward the theme in your email id. Okay, so I've already downloaded that theme. So what I'll do, I'll just upload the theme. Okay, I'll just click on this upload theme button, choose file in the desktop section. You can see I have, this is the zip file they have provided. Okay, I've just extracted the theme and I'll just click on this folder, and you can see there is a theme option. Just click on this and green zip. I'll just select this. Okay, and now I'll click install now. It will take some time, so you just have to be patient. Okay, now you can see that my theme has been installed. So now what I have to do, I have to just activate the theme. Okay, so you can check my current website how it looks before uploading the theme. So this is my website, and after activating the theme, you can see there will be slide change. Okay, you can see that my theme is active. Okay, so when I refresh the page, you can see that my theme has been activated. Okay, so this theme provides me a demo content. Okay, so you will see the change in the website once I activate the demo content. Okay, you can see this is my active theme. I will just click on this theme detail. Okay, now I have to just install the plugins. Okay, you can see there are multiple plugins available with this theme. I'll just install it. Okay, you can see installed. The plugin has been installed. Again, I'll go back and activate this plugin. Okay, so you can also do multiple installation by just clicking on this button. Okay, and just click install. Okay, it is taking some time, so what I'll do, I'll just manually install each of the plugins. Okay, so sometimes this issue occurs, so not to worry. I'll just refresh the page. Okay, the three themes has been installed. I'll just activate. Okay, and other options is that I'll just install other plugins also. Okay, most of our plugins has been installed. Now when you refresh the page, you can see the change in the website. Okay, you can see that there is add to cart, quick view, compare. These are basically updated through plugins. Okay, so next thing is that we have to import the demo content. Okay, you can do that by just going on this option, tva demo import. Okay, so I'll just click here. You can see there are multiple options. I'll just have to select one. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll just click on import all. Okay, you can see that my demo content is being imported. Okay, now you can see that our demo import has been successfully completed. Now what we have to do is we have to check how our website looks right now. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll just click on this new tab and I'll type www.nextshopacademy.co.in. Okay, you can see this is our website. Okay, everything has been uploaded. We just have to replace the images and the content of the website, the structure is already being made. Okay, also you can select any other demo. I'll just import this demo. Okay, you can see that our demo content has been successfully imported. Now what I have to do, I have to just refresh the page, and you can see that our new design is ready, okay, to use. So you can see there are different products. We just have to upload the images in this section. Okay, everything, the structure is ready. Okay, also you can see that there is shop section, different pages. This is category, this is blog. Okay, if you click on this placement section, you can see there are different products. Okay, and if I click on this product, you can see the product page. Okay, this is the related product section. It has come using the plugin. Okay, so basically our WordPress theme is set up, and also there are multiple homepage options. Okay, you can select any one of these. This is it for the video. See you guys in our next video.
And finally, don't forget to subscribe to Nextshop Academy channel and press the bell icon so that you can get notified whenever the new video is uploaded. Thank you for watching.